Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy. Today we're taking a look at the Guinness Cream Soda, a fantastic alternative to the black and tan, especially for folks who aren't super keen on Guinness. And Mike can't have any. And why not, Mike?
I'm not fat! Shut up!
To build the Guinness Cream Soda, you'll start with 6 ounces of soda water. Next, you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 ounce of ginger liqueur, in this case Domaine de Canton, 1 ounce of vanilla vodka, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. I'm going to give that a quick stir just to integrate all of those flavors together. And then we're going to slowly layer in the Guinness. And there you have the Guinness Cream Soda.
Ooh, can I have some?
Yep. Stir it up for you.
Hey, wait, hey!
Yeah.
I want some.
You don't get any. You're on a diet because you're fat.
Oh,
Hey, I'm just repeating what you said.
I'm not fat! I'm big bone!
Those are some big, big bones. What do you think?
Creamy.
Tastes like a Guinness Cream Soda. Good notes of vanilla, touch of sweetness, and the Guinness shines through. So if you're looking for something a little bit different this St. Patrick's Day or any day when you feel like a Guinness or something a little bit different, try one of these.